This is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News. Robbie Shakespeare, one half of the powerhouse rhythm duo of Sly and Robbie, has died. A close associate has confirmed his passing to the star a short while ago. Shakespeare had reportedly been ailing for some time and had undergone surgery related to his kidneys. He was living overseas and was in hospital in Florida. In July last year, he placed at number 17 on the 50 greatest bassists of all time list, compiled by the prestigious Rolling Stone magazine. Robbie Shakespeare, born September 27, 1953, was a Jamaican bass guitarist and record producer, best known as one half of the reggae rhythm section and production duo Sly and Robbie. Regarded as one of the most influential reggae bassists, Shakespeare was also known for his creative use of electronics and production effects units. He was sometimes nicknamed Basspeare. As part of Sly and Robbie, Shakespeare worked with various reggae artists such as U-Roy, Peter Tosh, Bunny Wailer, Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaac, Sugar Minott, Augusto Pablo, Yellowman, and Black Uhuru. His production work also extended beyond the reggae genre, covering various pop and rock artists such as Mick Jagger, Bob Dylan, Cyndi Lauper, and Grace Jones. Prior to his involvement in Sly and Robbie, he was a member of session groups The Revolutionaries and The Aggravators. Rest in peace, Mr. Robbie Shakespeare. You'll be greatly missed. Thank you for watching.